Salamat kaayo. Og mo ni akong pangutana diri sa inyong sa 28 fundamental beliefs ninyo. One of the gifts, number 17 o Article 17 sa fundamental beliefs of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. One of the gifts of the Holy Spirit is prophecy. The gift is an identifying mark of the remnant church and was manifested in the ministry of Ellen G. White as the Lord's messenger. Her writings are a continuing and authoritative source of truth, which provide the church comfort, guidance, instruction, and correction. They also make clear that the Bible is the standard by which all teaching and experience must be tested. Ako pangutana ani Igsoon Chris, asa mabasa sa Biblia nga kining writings ni Ellen G. White authoritative source of truth. Yes.
Unos tanan, litra por litra, wala tay mabasa.